That's what I'm talking about. All right, so today I've got some stuff to show you guys. Some clothes, some makeup, and every single thing I'm going to be showing you guys today is under 15 bucks. So I thought it'd be fun to do a haul by like price point. I don't think I've ever done that. So let's get into it. If you're excited for this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, you can join the Beirito family and subscribe. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. So the makeup I got was all from ULTA just because drugstore makeup in Seattle, I've just totally given up on at this point. We have nothing. Even the ULTA in Seattle has nothing. So I just order everything online that I need from the drugstore. Lately, ULTA has a ton of new drugstore price items on there. So I picked up a bunch of stuff, and the clothes I'm going to show you guys is all from ThredUp. ThredUp is sponsoring today's video, so thank you to them for collaborating with me again. ThredUp is like heaven to me. It's basically like an online consignment shop, and the pieces on there are pretty much like new, which I feel like is part of the struggle when you go to a thrift store, is having to sort through everything. Half the stuff is like faded or has rips or stains on it, and ThredUp basically does that for you. So when you're shopping, everything that I've gotten so far has looked pretty much like new. It's not super faded, it's not like balling, and the fabric's not super worn out looking. You can shop on their website, or they also have an app, and you can put in kind of your presets, so like sizes, any price limits you want. So I just have that saved, so every time I go in there, it knows that I'm only looking for shirts in certain sizes and dresses in certain sizes, so it just makes it super quick. So for this time, I just set the price limit to 15 bucks, so it was only showing me items under $15. All right, so here we go. Everything comes in this super cute polka dot box. You got the cute tissue paper. I feel like I scored this time for what I got for under 15 bucks. First thing I got is this kind of chiffon dress. It has super cute beading on here, little diamond things, and it's kind of like sparkly too. This was from Old Navy, and as you can see, the tag is still on here from Old Navy, so this is brand new. This one I think in the summer with like a jean jacket would be super cute, or a leather jacket even. I like the length of it too. It's past my knee. It's probably not meant to be. It's probably meant to be like up here, but on me it's past my knee. But I like it. Super comfy too and just flowy. This one was originally 35 bucks from Old Navy, and I got it for $13.99. I tried on a few of these for you guys. This one fits super cute. I feel like I'm losing my voice. This is that. What? This is the second video I'm filming today. And by the way, if you want to know my makeup right now, this eye look is coming in Friday's video, but I did change my lipstick. I'm wearing Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in True Grit. Love this next one. So this is kind of like a guy style t-shirt dress. Kind of looks like you're just wearing a dude shirt. Okay, this one I am in love with. This is right up my alley, this dress. This is from Forever 21. It was originally $23 and I got it for $7.99. I just paired this with some booties and then a leather jacket, but it's super cute without the jacket too. If I can get this off with one hand. It's button up and it has this pocket right here. This will be super cute in the fall or winter too, with like tights and boots, or even over the knee boots. I kind of feel like I'm wearing pajamas right now. Ooh, with a dark lip too. Hell yeah. I kind of just took a chance on these jeans and it actually worked out in my favor. I've never tried PacSun denim, but these are the PacSun jeggings. I got a size 25 and I thought they were gonna be too small just looking at them, but they're super stretchy and they're high-waisted, so these actually fit really cute. These PacSun jeans are so stretchy, so comfy. They're a little bit long, so I'll probably have to get them hemmed, or I can just roll them up. I have to get most of my jeans hemmed, but they're a little bit high-waisted, so if I wanted to, I could like tuck a shirt in. They're just super comfy and stretchy. These were originally $36 and I got them for $10.99. $10.99 jeans. I was tempted to get American Eagle because they had tons of American Eagle on there, and I know how American Eagle fit on me, and they fit really well. That's like the majority of my jeans are American Eagle. That's another good thing. If you already know what size you are and you know a certain brand fits you really well, just go in there and search by the brand, and then everything that they have will come up. And these look like new. I mean, you can't even tell that anyone's worn these. They also had higher end jeans, like they had 7 for All Mankind, True Religion, brands like that on there too. But I'm glad I tried these out because now I feel like I want to try more PacSun jeans. And then paired with those jeans, I tried on this blazer from Forever 21, which doesn't this look like it would be like Express or something? Tan blazer, but it has this satin black collar that runs all the way down, which I thought was a cool touch. The blazer is super cute too with this outfit. I feel like I probably wouldn't wear a black shirt under it just because it has this black trim right here. I feel like it kind of like bleeds into it, but with, I don't know what color I would wear under this actually. Maybe like a maroon tank top. That would be cute. It's from Forever 21, 35 bucks, and I got it for $11.99. I love dressing down a blazer, so just wearing it with this outfit, like with jeans, little booties and stuff, I think is a cute look. This I was so freaking excited to see on there because I had no idea that ThredUp carried Fashion Nova. And Fashion Nova is actually pretty decent quality. I kind of thought it was going to be a more like a runway thing. I've purchased a few dresses from there and they're pretty great. Like that green velvet one or on Instagram, that was from Fashion Nova. I also have a red one from there, and there's something about the way that their products fit that's just really flattering, everything that I purchased. So I was excited when I saw that they were on ThredUp. This one I didn't try on because it's a little bit more risque, you know? I also love how they always put the ThredUp tag on here because it's just a nice little touch and it feels like you're getting something new in the mail when you open it. This is hella cute. It has this lacing all the way down the front with little gold rings on it. I thought this would be a cute filming shirt, honestly, or paired with a high-waisted skirt or something. I like that this is long sleeve too. If I'm wearing something like a crop top, I typically like to cover a little bit more skin somewhere else. That's just my personal preference. So either put on like a jean jacket over it or a little kimono kind of thing or something. But this was in the size small. It was originally 18 bucks and I got it for $5.99. And again, this looks like it has barely been worn, if at all. Just love their packaging and their little stickers and stuff. These are the shoes. These are kid shoes. I can fit into a kid size 2.5 or 3 usually. So I believe these are size, yeah, these are size 3, 4. They do look a little bit big. These are brand new too. Still has the Stevie's tag on it. So the shoes were originally $14.99 and I got them for $7.99. Okay, almost done with the clothes. I got some Victoria's Secret shorts. These are just like workout shorts. Working out is now a thing in my life. I've been going strong for about the past 5 weeks now. It's something that I look forward to now, which I never thought I would say. I think just because I watch Bloodline when I'm there, like I'll put on an episode, but I have been enjoying it. So I'm kind of branching out, getting some workout clothes, you know, really getting into it. So I just got these shorts, super cute, blue on the front, back on black on the back. The shorts are originally $15 and I got them for $4.99. All right, so the last clothing piece I got is this. How am I gonna show this? This dress. Couldn't try this on because I think it's gonna fit, but I think it's the kind of thing where I'm gonna have to like full on pull it over my head and I didn't want it to mess up all the makeup, you know? Super cute summer kind of dress. I feel like this is gonna be flattering because it ties around the boobage area and then it just flows all the way down. I think this was a good brand. Yeah, this one is Band of Gypsies. This was normally $60 and I got it for $11.99. That's what I'm talking about. I'm excited. I feel like I got some good pieces. So if you guys want to check out ThredUp, I'll have a link in the description down below, but they're giving you guys 30% off your first order on ThredUp. And the code is my favorite part. The code is Beirito30. I think that's my favorite code I've ever been given. They came up with that, not me, so they know you guys. All right, so now on to the ULTA goods. I actually placed a second order, but I think that's going to be coming in another haul because they said it was going to take 2 weeks to ship. So Wet n Wild finally launched new eyeshadow palettes. I feel like it's been a while since they've launched them. So these are their new Color Icon palettes. I'm a big fan of their old Color Icon palettes that they've had for years, like the 8 pan. I think there's 8 in there. So this first one is Not a Basic Peach. And then this one is Rosé in the Air. Does this look familiar? So this one looks very similar to the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. Let me know if you guys want to see these in like a drugstore first impressions video or Shadow and Schmooze or something. Let's see if they put the prices on here. Why do they never put the prices on the order form? Well, I'll check the prices and put them on the screen for you guys. Is this eyelash popping off? So a lot of you guys have asked to see this in a Foundation Friday. So I picked this up. It's the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. It says it contains natural coconut derivative. Has SPF 15, says it's luminous, lightweight, and buildable hydrating formula. So that sounds exactly what I need for my skin right now. So you guys will probably be seeing this coming in the next 15 days of foundation, which is coming up. I'm trying my best to do half drugstore, half high-end about that, because I know last series there was a little bit more high-end than drugstore. It's just the way it happened with the new releases. I heard the feedback from you guys, and this time I'm really trying to make it half-half. So let me know what other drugstore foundations you guys want to see. I did just order the new Essence foundation. I have this one. I have about 2 others right now, so I definitely still need about 3 or 4 more drugstore ones that I haven't reviewed yet. If you leave a suggestion down below, type in the Tayla and the name of the foundation into the YouTube search bar and see if a review video already pops up, because I've reviewed a shit ton of drugstore foundations and they don't pop out releases quite as much as high-end, which is why it's easier to find high-end releases. So let me know down below more of the story. That was a long little spiel there. Ooh, I'm hella excited to try this. So this is e.l.f.'s collaboration with Heart. It's the Coffee and Cream Highlighter Duo. And when I was at their event thing in LA a couple months ago, they were talking about how quickly this sold out and how much people loved it. So I wanted to give it a go. I hadn't tried it yet. And it comes in this really pretty rose gold packaging. There's like a light white kind of pink shade in here. Oh, heck yeah, I'm excited to try this. Okay, this I am so curious about. This is the brand new Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Full Coverage Conceal and Contour, aka just concealer. Makeup Revolution typically does kind of dupe products. I'm not sure if this was supposed to be a Shape Tape dupe or why people are comparing it to that exactly, but it says it's a full coverage concealer, so I'm curious. How much product does this have? This has 0.11 fluid ounces. Shape Tape has a shit ton. Shape Tape has 0.33. So essentially multiply this price by 3 and that's what you're paying. Wet n Wild is just popping out the new releases right now. This is the Dewy Face Primer Photo Focus Primer. Very basic, just like white squeeze packaging, nothing super exciting. Oh, it looks like it has a little bit of color to it. It has like a nude tint. I don't think it has a scent. Any kind of dewy primer, dewy setting spray right now, sign me up. Another Wet n Wild product. I went ham on the Wet n Wild. This is the Make a Glow highlighting powder in the shade Golden Flower Crown. I'm not sure if this is a new shade or if I just never picked this up. I do really like this highlight in the pinker shade. I don't have a whole lot of gold highlighters because it's not usually what I gravitate towards and they tend to be too dark on my skin tone. This one looks like it might be too dark, but you can always use it as eyeshadow or something if it is. I've been meaning to try this for forever. Like since this launched. This is the LA Girl Just Blushing blush, but it's in the shade Just Because, and this is a few bucks, I want to say. And I want to try this as a contour shade. It looks like it's going to be a really nice ashy taupey contour shade, so we will see. I like the packaging of this. I think they just recently repackaged these, and it has a nice weight to it. Feels a lot heavier than I thought it was going to. If you have fair skin, this could potentially be a good contour shade. I do have a video all about my favorite contour shades for pale skin. This next product is another one that I've just been meaning to try. It's a NYX Hydra Touch powder. I got the lightest shade 01 Porcelain. Like I said, my skin is on the drier side, normal to dry from Accutane. Any kind of hydrating powder, dewy powder, those are the ones that I find typically look better on my skin right now, so I wanted to give this one a go. All right, just a couple things left. We have the Model's Own Cover It Full Coverage Concealer. I totally forgot this was a concealer. Definitely thought this was an eye primer. This is in the lightest shade 01 Light. Maybe I'll do this against the Makeup Revolution one. How much is in this one? Oh shit. This one has 0.28 fluid ounces, so quite a bit of product. This one's more of like a squeeze tube applicator. This looks like it has a wand, I'm assuming. Super cute packaging on this guy. This is the Makeup Revolution Bronze and Glow Powder Bronzer and Highlighter Duo. Looks like the bronzer shade possibly has potential. Looks a little bit warm, but we'll try it out. I love how they have that imprint on there, like the Kylie products. Let me know if there are certain products from Kylie Cosmetics that you think are worth trying or you want to see in a video. I'm not opposed to buying them. I don't know, I just always go on there, and then when I'm actually checking out, I'm like, I don't want to spend $85 on 2 things. But congrats to Kylie. She has a baby. I am kind of curious about her concealers though. All right, so that was everything in my Ulta haul. So like I said, I have some more stuff coming from Ulta, a second order. There were some really interesting products in that order. I ordered the Catrice waterproof drops, which is supposed to make like any foundation waterproof. Keep an eye out. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on a video. I upload every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And again, I'll have the link for ThredUp down below in the description box. Now my voice is like pretty much gone. So I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.